I joined the Marine Corps when I was coming out of high school. I learned what it meant to have honor, courage, and commitment. Honor being doing the right things for the right reasons. Courage is the moral courage to stand up when something is wrong and take the steps necessary to right that wrong. And commitment is commitment to the cause that confronts us. So as an attorney, I take that honor, courage, and commitment and apply that to all my clients.
Many of our clients, when they come to us, their whole life has been turned upside down in a moment. And so that's where we step in. This is not the end of the world. There's a path from where you are now at this low point to where you need to be. You're going to get through this.
Whenever we get a case in, it is not just one attorney representing you. It's 3 attorneys, and it's a wealth of experience.
We were calling to get some medical help to help my daughter, to save her life, and it ended up being half a dozen officers in there handcuffing her and putting her in a chair and then taking her out instead of taking her to the hospital. And then that night we contacted Dischley to give us help.
I was scared. I didn't know what was going to happen. With the charges I was being charged with, it would have ruined my entire life and I wasn't going to have a future.
What Sean from Dischley Law made me feel was that he was going to support us and he was going to represent us like he was family too. They want to know who you are and they don't give up.
I would 100% recommend Dischley Law to anybody. They continued to give me hope when I didn't have hope. They kept on fighting for me to the very, very end.
We're about to have the best outcome that we could possibly have out of our case.
I think our biggest resource that we draw on is our experience. Pat, Dave, and I, when we were prosecutors, we prosecuted every kind of case or charge you can imagine. We've pretty much seen it all in courtrooms.
There's a level of experience that comes with being a prosecutor that being a defense attorney your entire career doesn't really grant you. As a prosecutor, you have to look at every case and you have to look at it from every angle.
Our collective backgrounds of being former prosecutors, former military members, former intelligence community member, really helps us relate to our clients and provide a perspective that I think most other law firms don't have.
We're not a transactional law firm. We were public servants for long periods of our life because we are the people who are going to stand by you through thick and thin.
When a client comes to Dischley Law, we're going to work on their case to produce the best possible result. We're going to treat them as we want to be treated ourselves, with that compassion, that empathy, and we're going to hold their hand and walk them through every aspect of the criminal justice system. At Dischley Law, we're going to put you first, and we're going to protect your future.